Cleveland Pidgin News don't start this Sunday evening for Palma de Mallorca, Spain. We did live for Cleveland TV station where we come with you, we come for with news all over the world. All over the world. Cleveland TV, now a TV station where it touch news from all over the world, Africa, Europe, Asia, America, Canada. It could touch news all over the world. People will ask where to be Cleveland TV. Cleveland has some project where we don't launch where it could bring news all over the world. And Cleveland a place where people go to do adverts. People go to their website. That is their website at www.cleveland.com. How do you spell that Cleveland? Cleveland is C-L-E-N, no, C-L-E-V-E-N-A-R-D. Cleveland TV. Then for their website, na cleveland.com. www.cleveland.com. This one, now just for tell when I say, we do so many things. This program for today, where we bring up for this Cleveland TV, now one of our great sponsor them, where they don't bring me for this TV station today. The sponsor now, Asiko Chips. Now Asiko Chips don't bring me for this TV station today. Any man will want get Asiko Chips. Any man will want get his own Asiko Chips. Make it contact Cleveland. Make it go for the website where I just give una www.cleveland. You will get your own Asiko Chips. So now, as we will prepare for enter for the newsroom proper, we know that today is the first day when we are just want watch Cleveland news. As we want to get into the news proper, we know that we are about to get our own Cleveland Chips. But this Cleveland Chips, this one, we need to get we own Asiko Chips. We need to get our own Asiko Chips. This Asiko, all man need to get your own. So that next time when you come for newsroom, you take your Asiko Chips, you sit down gallant on top of your coaching chair, you listen, you enjoy the news proper the way it go. So right now, as we would want gallant for we chair with our popcorn, because any man prepare popcorn for enjoy this great news with Cleveland that they bring for una. My name where I want to present this news for una, my name they call me say Don Pasho. Now the name that way me I represent for una. So make una gallant before we enter for news proper. Yeah, when I welcome back, I hope say any man you don't see Asiko Chips, you don't get your own Asiko Chips, you don't see them. So we enter now for news proper. The first topic we'll get for news today. Now this wahala when it don't fall for the people for Southern Cameroon, where they call themselves say Ambazonia. Some genocide it take place for Ambazonia. Southern Cameroon will ask us say where to be Ambazonia. Where to be Southern Cameroon? Who be these people? But before we go proper, make we really see the picture for one president where he don't decide for the molest people for that Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia. Una will ask question. This man, he named na Paul Biya. Paul Biya, welcome for my show, for my first show. Now you be first person who I bring up. No worry yourself. We go talk about you some more time. This man, he don't make 37 years for power. He age. Now 86 years old he did. People for Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia, I will give you some brief history about these people. These people, plenty people don't know say Cameroon, they talk English and French. When you talk for place, say you be Cameroonian, the first thing you hear, they first tell you say bonjour. They don't know say Cameroon get people where they talk English because the French people they be suppress this Southern Cameroon Ambazonian people. Why? But the people them their eyes shine. It shine where? It shine where? For 2016, they start protest. Why they start that protest? Because that Pobia people start put people for court where they talk now only French. For English people their side. For this Southern Cameroon people their side. So George he go for court. My big mommy will no know for talk French. He go court. They say me he talk French. How you want talk French? That's so the thing start. So lawyer then we go for street for protest. What happened? This Pobia man, boom, na tear gas, bullet, he meet up lawyer then. Teacher them join because they don't send teacher them too for that side for Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia when French speaking teacher them. So teacher they say no, we no go agree me they bring French people them make they can teach what picking them. As teacher them join, what happen? Now boom, he meet up them. Some one great boy they call him Macho BBC. Now he carry a cough and go for street say enough is enough. If the one shoot that gun, make the first bullet catch it. Who say they for some prison for that Cameroon, for that French people that say they call us a Kondenge, maximum prison, the highest security prison for Cameroon. Only because they protest. So my fellow people, these people them, they be formed now lawyer, teacher, civil society people. They be shut down the form something where they call us a consortium. So they be put big man for consortium. They call you Bobara. And they be put them. They will bring something where they call us Operation Ghost Town because until today that Ghost Town is still whole. Every Monday for that Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia people they say na Ghost Town. I would like make we listen for this video how when the thing be started when they be declare that Ghost Town so that when I want to enter for the story proper I wanna go really understand. Make that video play me we watch and me we hear that Operation Ghost Town.
Gogomo, I want to inform Anglophone Cameroon that Professor Gogomo was a teacher in GTHS Bamenda before he went back to school and got to become a professor, and that he has desecrated professorship, and that he would not address justice, he would not address issues of injustice, shows that he is doing everything to protect his position as a privileged slave in this country. By Monday, we will know whether Yaoundé controls Anglophone Cameroon or we control our country, because where they are doling out huge sums of money that people won't be able to go to. The issues that we have raised are community issues and everybody has an interest. That's why everybody is coming on board, putting their own contributions. After Monday, we will think of what else to do that would bring this government down on its knees if by Monday we don't see them crawling and creeping. Professor, what's his name again? Gogomo. I want to inform Anglophone Cameroon that Professor Gogomo was a teacher in GTHS Bamenda before he went back to school and got to become a professor, and that he has desecrated professorship, and that he would not address justice, he would not address issues of injustice, shows that he is doing everything to protect his position as a privileged slave in this country. By Monday,
video, we don't listen. That man where he talk for that video, he named na Patasan. He there for Kondenge prison. When Nigeria government be arrested for Nigeria, and a group president for the Ambazonia too, he there for Kondenge. When a Nigeria be arrested and a group president for Ambazonia, they send them back for French Cameroon, for that La Republique people. Just because they no one say make these people they fight for their right. These people they fight now for their right. But because of molestation, where black man he don't take power, if she don't on top power, you know what makes some other man he enjoy. They just decide for they molest these people for Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia. Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia, it began independence on the 1st of October 1961. La République du Cameroun, that is the French part, it began independence for 1st January 1961. But the two be decided to make a join for form what they call as a Federal Republic of Cameroon equal in status to federated state, but the manipulator make am today it just been a La République du Cameroon, the French colonial name. They don't colonize back the Southern Cameroon Ambazonian people. The news for today, not just to give you like this headline for which will happen for Cameroon. Now war go on for the war and killings will go on for Ambazonia. They don't kill close to 20,000 civilians for that Southern Cameroon Ambazonia over the years. But plenty people they don't know. Now why that way? Clever news. It decide to make it bring the news for una. So that make people for the world they know. People who they Ghana may they know. People for Equatorial Guinea may they know. People for Nigeria may they know. People for South Africa may they know. People for Kenya may they know. That is why Cleveland is there now. Well, may we go for next news proper. Before we go for that next news, as newsman they talk, a voice to the change. Make her drink some more water as we prepare for go into the next news proper. Before I go for the next news proper, I believe say everybody, I don't hear about this Asiko chips. These Asiko chips, they so now you don't sponsor me once you don't forget. Now why that when me I know if you forget it. Only the chips is sweet. They make a say they put small pepper. Maggi the pepper. So the Spanish man they call something they call them pica. It just sweet. Just when I need to buy the chips because when you buy this Asiko chips, then you go know. Contact me for www.cleveland.com for there you go get we and you go get your own Asiko chips. Next news proper. We're there for newsroom. So for this newsroom today, for the next news, we going to talk about this president and way they don't steal for power, but they the only molest people. So other one day for Uganda, he did 79 years. They call him Museveni. Now president for Uganda, but we get some young, vibrant youth. He young Lemiso. Now musician, they call him Chabulani, but in music name na Bobby Wine. He be win parliamentary seat for be a parliamentarian for Uganda, for capital. This boy is shaking Uganda. For one of the music them, he sing. We are the youngest in the nation. We must stand together as one. Now Bobby Wine is song that. Now we be the youngest generation now. But when we want to look at now all people the rule for Africa. Why? So Bobby Wine is protest against this Museveni. Museveni, he don't make 27 years for power. Museveni don't make 27 years for power. But Museveni, it is still one stand election. He do protest for, he pass law for parliament. Parliament votes if he still stand election again. Now there Bobby Wine, Chabulani, the honorable great youth for 37 years, he said no. So Bobby Wine, he don't organize a protest then. Bobby Wine, he want to do concert for sing in music. But because in music, now music way it bring change. Youth they like for listening for music. It pull out crowd. Ugandan police, because a dictator they for the way they call and say Museveni, he decide for block Chabulani concert them. He don't block Chabu. So Chabulani decide say they get for protest. They get for protest. Why they protest? Because they deny make Chabulani no hold a concert them. They way Chabulani they go for protest. Population wow. That population where they pass that 20,000 people on how many thousand people when Jesus Christ be feed. If you see population. But when I know something, the dictator regime he arrest Chabulani. They arrest me this boy. They arrest Chabulani. As they arrest Chabulani, they take Chabulani, they go prison. After 3 days, they want to go with Chabulani for court. They don't agree go Chabulani because they know when they want to go for court, population will come out again. Court session the whole for court room. But Chabulani didn't have a video for prison, he didn't watch. It be reach time, Chabulani woke up a hand for prison, for court, for video, say he want talk. I want to listen for this wonderful speech where this Honorable Chabulani, he be make am for people for Uganda. Make my producer play me this video, make I hear.
Although I don't understand what you term as political phrases, I still thank you for this opportunity, Your Honor. Your Honor, having heard from all the submissions under these abnormal circumstances, I want to emphasize what I said, that it is not me on trial, Your Honor, it is the court itself on trial. And Your Honor, no matter what you decide in that court, whatever you decide, Your Honor, that is not my business. My business is standing for the truth. My business is standing for what is morally right. My business, Your Honor, is standing for what is morally beneficial to you, to me, to those people that are persecuting me under the guise of prosecution, and to all the people of Uganda. And Your Honor, if standing for what is right, if standing for truth is going to earn me my freedom, I will thank God for it. But Your Honor, if standing for what is right is going to keep me in this prison, then I will thank God even louder. After all, I have a lot of work to do, even here in prison.
That, as the accused person has said, nobody is incarcerating him, and nobody is saying that he can never come out. No. Accused has been ably represented by.
I don't listen for waiting with this young, talented young boy. When I talk, I only go for this my Asiko chips. Before I want to go back for Chabulani. Asiko chips. Make a pick some one first. I chop before I continue for Chabulani. Chabulani. Now I chop someone. Yes, Muna don't mind me. Now so again. For this newsroom, Chabulani don't talk some talk. Chabulani talk some talk for that video. Say, you in order for this court, we did the judge for this court. Now the court, the judge itself, he go again for talk say, even when I decide for jail, he still get work for do inside that prison. These are the type of leaders who we need. Young, talented, vibrant leaders. We Africa in it. We don't need old people. When we look African countries, Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya. Why? If I really want to count, I will go in. All Africa, now old people. Now all people, they rule with Africa. Why? Why? Because we don't decide. The youth, now we be the greatest. Like Chabulani see. We are the youngest, most populated. We must stand together as one. That is what we, the youth, we need to do. Now we stop for the government campaign for old people. But we stand together as one. We support young politicians where they come. I support Chabulani for Uganda. I'm a newsman. I just talk. I did not talk. I will talk plenty. We will go for next news. We will go for next news. But before we go for next news, I the one time this my sponsor for this program for today. This Asiko Chiefs man. The way I enjoy this Asiko for this my program today. I thank you plenty. Next time we want I beg. If there is some other package still there, aha! I think we'll get plenty brand them. The one I don't know whether he get pepper too or he get man. See, if I test that, the one they say we get pepper too because the way what is here, they like get pepper too. Well, for newsroom, I did for news. Sorry, I did news. Sorry. Okay, I be forget I did for news. We go now for next news proper. Next news. Africa. I don't know whether now what did happen for Africa because some kind thing in the way they happen for Africa. I don't know whether na love, na curse, or na say we African they will don't just decide for just day the way we want day. Some news don't dey fly for social media. Wow, it dey go here, talk for here, talk for day, talk for here, talk for day. Cleveland TV say no, we must pick this news. We must pick this news to carry them for Cleveland. Cleveland say we get for pick this news. We need for come jam to for Cleveland news. Make follow whatever Cleveland PG news. Make they hear this news too. This small girl we it act film for Nollywood, they call it Regina Daniel. Very beautiful 18 years girl. In news don't fly. I want here for this side they say, hey, when I leave you, now he life. You don't go marry Opa when I leave him. For this side, you want here they say, no, not love. Me man no put him up there. Say till we God don't bind together. Let no man put us all. Now you will know will be news. We bring una na only news. We know they will for put up there. Now news where he fly Cleveland to go, he run to he go for there, go pick up, yeah, he bring up. I bet they put me picture for that girl with that Imasa man because that picture with that Imasa, okay. I did read that news, but I cry. Why I cry? I cry because when I look the beautiful girl, my wife, my mom, because they say, Mr. Sep, I be free pass. Now news I do. Man, I don't talk because if you go talk, not talk so what. But that girl, very beautiful girl, he go marry this man. She's 18 years. He go marry this man for. This man is in a 50. I guess in a 52 or a 53. I don't know. But the man is old enough to be this girl, his grandfather. And the girl go in from news where we gather. Now news. No go talk tomorrow. Say na Cleveland. You na don't pass will be say problem. Now number 6 wife. Man look my na news. No problem. But some group of people, they say, make they live am na love. Some people say that man a millionaire, that girl gonna because of million, that because of money. So some group of people they say he follow na money, but clever na nobody choose side newsroom gina news. Whether you dey na for side for people where they gina. They go for side for say if follow na money oh now you know. Side where they say na people for love oh you go there now you know. We for clever now we gina news. But when I look something again for this news. Some young boy there, some other young vibrant actor today. This boy will be there with this girl before. Young, handsome. I feel producer, some talk to you, say man became beautiful. No? When you look this boy, the boy too beautiful. When you go make this beautiful girl for leave this young girl, for leave this handsome boy, he go marry a grandfather. Imam to talk, I don't lock him. But they say, who will you no go? You no know. Wait till you know. Wait you. How did they ever talk? Say wait till you know. A big pass aside. Wait, we give a news for the one way we know. The one who know about they get a big pass aside. So we just give now only news. We come up with for the proper. So we don't finish for Regina Daniel matter. Her matter don't pass. But today news we just come for bring this headline. We don't end the news for today. But before we end this news for today, so one trumped up day we for Southern Cameroon and Bazonia, they talk say they call say pineapple for story. Pineapple for Tory. This story will don't bring for now today. He must go back with pineapple. He must take something, go back where he will take remember this newsroom for today. Before I want to get a pineapple, must thank my sponsor for today, Asiko. Asiko, I want to thank you again. Ma am so much cheap, mama. Before I give pineapple, Asiko, she don't do you no go because they are chips. It don't really do fine. Ma quench them with water. Before I give pineapple for today, ma quench them with water. Voila. So, pineapple for today news na say, woman where he no one submit for a massa. Say woman where no one do it, he no one submit for a massa. May he forget about marriage. May forget about marriage. Because no man picking. No one marry another man picking. Ma talk am in full one time. Woman when he no one submit for man for a massa, make he forget marry because because no man no one marry another man bring for your house. Wait before Don Pasho wa open up for say, madam, why you no bring me Asiko chips? He don't talk 10. We are just asking Asiko chips. No. Now the pineapple that for today. So Cleveland, he don't start this pidgin news and he go continue with the pidgin news. We want to thank all our viewers and we say for people where they go work tomorrow morning, before you want to go work, make sure say you contact Cleveland and forget Asiko chips. So that when you do for workplace, if you do work on top computer, you pick small Asiko, you hit for your mop. People when they get in a shop, as you want to go your shop, contact Cleveland, get your Asiko, go put them for day. So that when person one pass, he say he be here for Cleveland chips, he say Asiko chips day, you go say I get her. So make everybody he try for say with the wish una, may God bless una hands of una job. Thank una and have a blessed week.